Hello machinists! I'm Shogo Nakamura, CEO of Nakamura-Tome. So, thank you for coming to our booth today. And I do presentation in EMO show, and today we'll broadcast my presentation on the YouTube. So, I will show you our new flagship machine, WY-100V. I'm so excited because it's the first time to show up this machine for all over the world. Today you are lucky. So first question, do you know what the meaning of WY? WY. Okay, let's open the door. This machine have two spindle and two turret, right? These two turret, both turret have y-axis. So it means WY. And what the meaning of V? What the meaning of V? V means velocity, so it means speed. This machine's main concept, faster than the fastest. We'll break the existing record, we'll make new record, speed of machine. So why we focus on the speed of machine? Because if you get the faster machine and the faster cycle time, customer can make many workpieces for short time. And they can deal with the problem of delivery time. They can get the possibility of cost down, and they can get extra time. The time is for what you want to do. So this is very important. It cut our customers' burden. It cut the burden of manufacturing. So it's very important. Okay, this is a perfect example of this machine. This is the hydraulic parts and many process inside this workpiece. Turning and milling and threading here, many process this workpiece have. And this workpiece made by one machine from material to complete parts. The one machine is WY-100V. So normally we achieve to shorten the cycle time just 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Customer really happy. Thank you, Shogo-san. But now we achieve how many percentage? Now we achieve to shorten the cycle time 30%. 30%, 30%. It's incredible. Look at this board. We achieved to shorten the cycle time 161 seconds. This is 30%. Yeah, compared to normal two-turret machine, our machine W100V is a totally different cycle time here. Let's close the door. And I have the equipment of my presentation. So Chroncut. So we developed super unique technology. It doesn't cut your watch, it cuts the time. Okay? In the machine, we have the many idle time. We have many wasteful time. So we need to get rid of it. We need to cut this time for the customer. So this is the Chroncut. Okay? I will show you. So now we'll make this hole by cross milling. Okay? Look at this machine. So, ready, go! So now you can see the very quick C-axis rotation. And this is a leading drill. And now cross milling start. Oh, it's very fast. You put the many process on the workpiece. You use the many process of the milling. You need a many C-axis rotation. In this process, we reduce the cycle time 56%. So, let's go to the next process. Next is a rigid tapping on the right spindle. Rigid tapping here. These 8 rigid tapping on the right side. Okay, ready? Go! Normally rigid tapping we use lower RPM, several hundred RPM. Now we come in the 4,000 RPM and come out 8,000 RPM. Incredible! About 10 times high cutting condition. This is very precise, controlled by Chroncut. Rigid tapping need synchronized Z-axis travel and milling rotation. It's really difficult high RPM synchronization, but we can do by Chroncut. Now, what the important process on two spindle machine? Do you know what? Okay.
Transfer?
Okay, transferring is very important. So let's see the quick transferring left and right. Okay, left process, done, then transferring. Ready? Go! Now we do synchronization, the spindle rotation and V2 axis travel, and cut off. It's very fast. This is a Chroncut. Chroncut is software. The software normally provides usability, the operator-friendly function. Now Chroncut changes the movement of machine. The software changes the movement of machine and make machine faster and faster. This is revolution. So not only the Chroncut, we increase acceleration. These compact machines need high acceleration. So we increase that. So let's see that. And this is a very quick turret indexing and approach is high acceleration. Ready? Go! Wow, it's so quick. Wow, left or right. It's a nice movement, isn't it? Now chip to chip is just 0.7 seconds. Wow, totally different movement. You can compare the existing machine in your factory, different. Okay, then we redesigned the machine bed, spindle box, milling structure, index structure. We redesigned the main unit and get high machining capability, especially on the milling. Look at this compactor. Let's open the door. Please look at this compactor. So our design philosophy, the unit need to be compact, and the unit need to be compact and powerful. Okay? Because if you put a big and wide turret, I don't like. If you put a big wide turret, so we cannot reach edge of jack, edge of workpiece. That is a problem. So operator feel the restriction of machining, and sometimes they need to give up the machining several type of workpiece. What a pity. So we put compact and powerful turret on the machine. This is our philosophy. So we keep putting the compact turret, and now we can put high RPM, 10,000 RPM milling. This is important. This combination is the most important. We deburring here. So normally in the customer's factory, after machining, sometimes the operator need to deburring by hand. Customer want to do deburring inside the machine, but it takes a time normally. Now we have the high RPM, we can do faster deburring inside the machine. So it's great automation technique. Okay, let's see that. Ready? Go! Now we can see we do deburring cross hole by the contouring on the milling. This is 10,000 RPM. Okay, it's so fast. Oh yeah, okay, and up and lower simultaneously by 2 turrets. Okay, this is also shorten the cycle. This is how we achieve to shorten the cycle time 30%. So now you can understand this machine make many workpieces for short time. Okay, then what require next? I know you require accurate machine. This machine is so accurate because we redesigned main unit. Even we changed the material to special one on several units and get high thermal stability. And one more thing, and also we developed new thermal stability system, anti-servo navigator, and we achieved. Look at this workpiece. We made this workpiece in the morning. We inspect here 35.468 millimeter. Okay, in the morning, and then we keep machining and then pick up one workpiece 8 hours later. We inspect here, same area, 35.471 millimeter. The gap is just 3 micron. This is a really high thermal stability of this machine. So now you understand this machine is so accurate and faster than the fastest. One more thing. So what is that? This is a lubrication oil box. Have you ever poured the oil on lubrication oil box in your factory? Have you ever do that? You? Oh, you. Yeah, I have same experience with you. This is tough job. If you have the many machine, you need to pour the oil like pouring the water in your plant in your garden, right? So we need to get rid of it from today. We don't need this box. So just throw away. Whoop. Okay, so I was a rugby player in the high school, so I love to pass. Okay, so now we don't need that lubrication oil box. You cannot find the box in front of the machine. So this machine, all linear axis lubrication by grease. What you need to do is just change cartridge. It's super easy. And it reduces oil consumption dramatically. 97% we reduce lubrication oil consumption. It's big change. So it's great for the human and it's great for the us. Okay, now you understand the secret of faster than the fastest and the secret of this machine. The secret of WY-100V. So you are the same member who have the same secret to me. So do you want to get one machine? Okay, so we have the many content, many multitasking machine, many new function and automation system in our booth. So we can come and close this machine and you can question us. We stand up here. So please enjoy our machine. So this presentation made by Shogo Nakamura and Shinichiro Okubo. Thank you for listening. See you, machinists.